Online ads come in all shapes and sizes. Sometimes they're small text or image ads. Sometimes they're large banner ads or even videos. On the web, these types of content, text, images, and videos, can be published as clickable links. In fact, clickable links or hyperlinks are at the core of how the web works. We specify the destination of these links using URLs. So anytime you see an online ad, there's a URL embedded in it so that when you click on it, it takes you to the website of the product being advertised. This all may seem obvious, but how do ad URLs actually work? You're no doubt familiar with the usual URL structure. They end with .com or .net or a whole host of other domain suffixes. Oftentimes, however, you'll see a / after that, with additional text. You might see a path or page name first. Keep in mind that URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, so you can think of this part of the URL as an instruction for the server, telling it where in its file system to look for a page, resource, or some code to run. Then, beyond that, you may see a question mark with additional text and symbols after it. These are called query string parameters, and they are simply a place to put useful information. The term query string parameters is part of computer science jargon, but in the context of URLs, they can be thought of as pairs of information. For example, the first pair is parameter 1 and value 1, and a second pair has the information parameter 2 and value 2. In a real-world scenario, this might say something like, UTM source is equal to Google if you were running an ad campaign via the Google Ads platform, or UTM campaign is equal to spring sale, denoting the name of the campaign. As a side note, the UTM prefix stands for Urchin Tracking Module, referring to the name of an analytics software company that Google acquired years ago. Though it's optional, marketers continue to use the UTM prefix to maintain standardization in their datasets. Ultimately, these parameters can be written in as any bits of alphanumeric information for the use of tracking relevant marketing data. Within a single URL, you can include as many UTM or query string parameters as you'd like. Each pair of information is separated with an ampersand. If you space them out, you can see the information more clearly. So to summarize, when marketers create online ad campaigns and embed URLs into their text, image, or video ads, they'll ensure the URLs contain these query string parameters so that when potential customers click the ads, the marketer can track information about which campaign the ad belongs to, what search keyword was targeted, etc.